Are you struggling to make your Angular application SEO friendly? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how Firebase Cloud Functions can help you access those crucial Firebase hosting files. I totally get it. Trying to optimize your Angular app for search engines can feel like a daunting task, especially when you're missing key files like the ng factory. It's a common hurdle for developers, and we're here to tackle it together. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible for Firebase Cloud Functions to access the Firebase hosting files? They believe this access could help them retrieve the ng factory file needed for generating HTML for SEO. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why is this access important? The ng factory file is essential for Angular Universal apps, as it allows server-side rendering, which is crucial for SEO. Without it, your app might not perform well in search rankings. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that can significantly enhance your app's SEO performance. To begin, the user needs to set up Firebase Cloud Functions in their project. This involves installing the Firebase CLI and initializing Cloud Functions. Next, the user should create a function that can serve the necessary files from Firebase Hosting. This function will act as a bridge to access the ng factory files. Now the user needs to configure the function to access the Firebase hosting files. This can be done by using the Firebase Admin SDK to read the files. Finally, the user should deploy the Cloud function and test it to ensure it can access the ng factory file correctly. This will help generate the HTML needed for SEO. Fun fact, did you know that server-side rendering can improve your app's load time? It's like giving your app a turbo boost for search engines. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is that Cloud Functions can access any file available through an HTTP request. If your ng factory file has a URL, you can download it and use it in your function. Additionally, you can deploy files alongside your functions by placing them in the functions directory. This allows you to read those files locally during the function's execution. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Regularly update your Angular and Firebase dependencies. Keeping everything up to date can prevent issues and improve performance. And there you have it. You now know how to access Firebase hosting files using Cloud Functions. Remember, optimizing your app for SEO is an ongoing process. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.